Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sadia Education Wali. I am student at Rahan College, Korangi campus, and I have been studying here from the last 2 months. Today I am going to present a summary of the inspiring talk Stop Teaching, Start Learning by Mariappan Jawaharial. Mariappan Jawaharial is an educator, entrepreneur, and learning innovator from India. He is known for promoting student-centered education. He is known for promoting student-centered education and encouraging schools to focus on learning rather than simply teaching. Through his work, he inspired teachers and students to rethinking traditional education method and create an engaging learning experience. Summary of the talk in his talk. Mariappan Jawaharial explained that the many schools focus heavily on teaching where teachers speak and students listen. While teaching is important, real education happens when students actively participate in the learning process. He argues that learning should not be about memorizing facts just to pass exam. Instead, students should be encouraged to ask questions, explore ideas, solving problems, and think independently. According to him, when students become active learners, they understand concepts more deeply and retain knowledge for a longer time. Mariaban highlights that every child learns differentially. Some students learn through observation, some through discussion, and others through practical experience practical experience. Therefore, teachers should create environment where students can discover knowledge in ways they suit their learning style. Another important message in the talk is the role of curiosity. Children are naturally curious and agree to learn. Schools should nurture this curiosity, focus only on grades and examinations. He also emphasizes that the teacher should become facilitator of the learning there than simply provider of information. Instead of giving all the answers, teachers should guide students, encourage collaboration, and help them develop critical thinking and problem solving skills. The talk stressed the importance of preparing students for the future. In a rapidly changing world, success depends on a creativity, communication, adaptability, and continuous learning. These skills cannot be developed through memorization alone. They require active management and meaningful learning. This talk taught me that I learn is most effective when students are actively involved. I learned that asking questions, exploring new ideas, and working with others can help learn more deeply. It also showed me that education should focus on understanding and growth rather than only achieving high. Maria Panjavarial messages is that schools should focus less on simply teaching and more on creating opportunities for learning. Students should be encouraged to think, explore, collaborate, and develop skills that will help us succeed in the future. By shifting our focus from teaching to learning, education can become more meaningful, engaging, and effective. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.